In this video, I'm going to explain how to use the file entitled Summary Sentence Generator. So in order to write a summary sentence, we have to think about the different parts, right? We identify the item by name. Let's say in this case, it's an article written by, and then we have the author's name, right? We're going to insert the author's name there. It might be John Doe, author's name, and the title of the book. This book is titled Tiger Watch, excuse me. Let's change it to the article written by author's name, titled, name of book, name of article in this case, right? So we have the general or the specific information. We have identified the item. Then we get to the verb generator, and the verb generator helps us create a better sentence for what this article actually does. And here we have a drop-down list of all the things that an article or book might do. It might compare something. It might add to current information already known. It might define a specific item. It might describe. It might give you a list. It might give you something, right? A piece of information. It might present something, explain. It might acknowledge the existence of something. But we have a list of all these different great verbs that it might critique, that we can use to write our summary sentence. It might demonstrate, denounce, depict. These are all great verbs. It might entice you to do something. Might illustrate or identify. It might name, predict, right? All these different things that will help you come up with different action words other than tells, right? This article tells you about something. Well, here we have close to 40 different verbs that you can use to create your summary sentence. And then over here, this is the spot for finishing your thought about what the book does. So let's say, for example, the article written by John Doe, titled, name of the book, Plants in the Wild, lists different plants in the Amazon jungle, right? So we created a list, and then we can go into in our essay a little bit more detail and explanation as to the list that this author provided about plants in the jungle. Also found on this page are two lists and how to mark the names of different things. So over here on the left, we have underline or italicize. So if you have the title of a book, you can either underline or italicize it. Name of a magazine, name of a newspaper, title of a play. Those are all going to be underlined or italicized. And the list is maybe 15 different items long. Then in quotation marks, right, we have a list of about 10 items. These are the things we're going to put quotation marks around. So a newspaper article, a magazine article, a poem, names of songs, episodes of TV shows, chapters of books. All of these are going to have quotation marks around it. So that will help you when you're identifying an item, right? This article, let's say we have an article found in a newspaper, we're going to put quotation marks around it. If I'm identifying a book, I can italicize it or underline it. And this will help me write my summary sentence, which is usually going to be the topic sentence for a longer essay. I hope that helps with your informational essay writing.